about to finish this journey. It is time to put the roof on our Lego Taylor Swift Lover House. This has been such a journey. Oh my goodness. We did the Evermore room last, I think it was a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month ago. But do you know we actually started this in September last year? So this has taken some time. But I say anything that is worth doing well and taking your time with it. So, and I have got it just the way I want it to be. So for each room, I have also made an eras tour outfit to go with it. So today it is Midnight's Time. It's Millie's absolute favorite album. So this is going to be the roof line, and her outfits for the eras tour are just, yeah, they're just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So all of them are bodysuits in black, purpley, blue, shiny, glittery, and she's got a garter on as well, and she's got high boots, her Louboutin boots with the red soles all the way through. So same outfit all the way through, but slight variations. So to make this in Minidoll form, I started off by painting and glittering a skirt piece, because I thought, you know what, she's got the bodysuit and she's got the little like spanglies, the dangly spanglies down the bottom. What's the word for that? Fringing! Yeah, so fringing. And I even painted a little rim of red down the bottom to show the red soles of her shoes, because that is pretty iconic. So painting and glittering up the body, like the body part on the top, nice and easy. They all seem to have the same sweetheart neckline shape, straps over the top. I think I got the colour scheme pretty good. Is that English? I think it's English. Because I mixed black, purple and blue glitter all together and then stuck it on. So it looks really nice. So I was quite happy with this. So popped her head on, popped her hair on, and went, you know what? This works for the Midnight's outfit. You look at this, even though we know I don't have all the design on it that she has in all her different outfits, but it's most definitely recognisable as it is. But Millie walked in and went, yeah, nah, she's got to have a bodysuit. So, challenge. So this is the previous bodysuit that I made. It looks, the crotch is a little droopy, okay? But that's where the crotch line is for a Minidoll. However, I had done a little bit of butchering of one of my Minidoll leg pieces and actually made the legs longer by cutting further up, and wondering how far up I could cut without actually going into the hinge line, without compromising the hinge line. So it is a little bit higher on this new one that I've painted, and I painted some dangly spankly fringing on this one too, and Millie is proven correct, because this looks so much better than the skirt piece. The skirt piece was a little bit of cop out, but you know, it would have worked in a pinch, but because it's always fun to have a challenge and to push myself past what I thought was humanly possible for a Minidoll, was Legally possible for a Minidoll. So yeah, I think that, yeah, the bodysuit actually looks a lot better when the legs are cut a little bit further up, and there's still plenty of room there underneath the hinge, so I want to redesign the Minidoll a little bit. Anyway, all right, so we need an album cover as well for this, but where are we going to put an album cover on the roof? Because I've been putting them in each of the rooms. Maybe I could put it in the attic as well. Maybe that would be cool fun. I don't know, we'll decide when we get there. So here we go. We have got, just trying to attach it to her hand properly and not scrape off parts of her outfit while we're going. We have got our album cover. We have got our Minidoll version of her outfit, and I'm so stoked by that. It looks so good. So, okay, so the roof line needs to, look, it's not just a roof line. We also need to do a little bit of modification to the blue room and the pink room, because, let's put the attic in as well, because the roof line actually starts on the corners of the blue and the pink. So we need to fill in the back of these two rooms too. So we need to make a proper triangle-y kind of angle thing. So I've pre-made this. So this one's going to be a nice smooth slope for our roof line on one side, and I did this one on this side too. And I didn't have light blue for those slopey pieces on the top, but I thought dark blue would work fine because it's kind of like it's in shadow. And then over here on this side, we're going to have hinges on either side of here. So this is just filling out the empty space, and then we pop our hinging on here, and that looks wrong. Oh, it looks wrong because I put it around the wrong way. That would be it. I'm so directionally challenged. I don't know how I even get around in life. So let's put these so that they're actually going to bend the right way. That's better. And I have pre-made these roof pieces because, yeah, they're not really very interesting to watch being built. Putting black plates on black plates. So fun, right? But along the front, I've put some outward facing studs so that I can smooth it along the front with some nice tiles. So let's do that. And that'll give you a nice smooth frontage on the roof, and then we should just be able to shove this on, and everything, because I've pre-planned this, everything should fit nicely. Hold on, have I done something wrong with the hinges again? Let me figure it out. Oh no, that one needs to go all the way out to the front. Yeah, that's better. That's where it's gonna fit. Oh my gosh, the memory of a goldfish. There we go. So that sits so beautifully on the slope. Look at that. It's a masterpiece of engineering. I'm impressed with myself. Hopefully they'll meet in the middle. And on this side, obviously, we just got to do the same thing. We could just entirely mirror image this, but I didn't have exactly the right pieces to mirror image it, so I've just kind of cobbled together the plates that I have. And there we go. Look at that, we've got a roof line. It does fit in the middle, right? Does it meet in the middle? If I were really cool, I'd be able to put like a bit in the middle of the middle, but I'm not gonna be that cool. They're just gonna kind of touch. Okay, so it's currently black. Let's put the album cover. We could put it in the attic. We could kind of hang it off the front too, or we can just pop it up here. No, that looks really ridiculous from the front. So if we could put it there. That would be fun, but it doesn't look very realistic. So we can just pop it on a flatter part of the roof up here. That looks good. There we go. So you and I will know this is up here. But we also need to put all of the sparkles on here. We're going to do it with these iridescent-y pieces, these little quarter pie tile pieces. And I've got them in dark blue, so midnight blue. And I've also got these lighter blue ones, which are also pearlescent and shiny, but I think they might be too bright for up on the top. So I'm just going to start by putting on dark blue and these kind of blacky, like these smoky ones which have also got the pearlescent-y, iridescent-y, shiny, pretty cover. So I think we might just, if I have enough pieces, we'll just stick with these two colors, and we're going to put them like little bits of broken glass up here on the roofing. It's not really, so it's just supposed to be looking like faceting, like shiny sparkles, my favorite thing. So I'll pop them on just kind of randomly, but trying not to put too much of the same in one place. And yeah, that looks good for one side, and then I can do the other side, and then if I have some left over I can go back and I can backfill any spaces that I think might need some more. But sometimes less is more. Maybe I don't want to fill them completely. We'll find out. We'll just have a look. So that looks all right. That looks so pretty, and you kind of can't see it from the front. It's only when you turn it to the side and you get a little bit of an idea of the glitter that's up there. So we have got our Midnight's roof done, and technically we have finished our Lover House build, but am I going to put it together today? Of course not. You knew that wasn't going to happen, right? So in the next video, which is coming up very soon, couple of days, so I've got a few tweaks to do to each of the rooms to be able to turn this into one big structurally integral in the structural house. Because we've made each room individually, I need to do a little bit of modification, and then we are gonna put it together and we will have the Lover House, and I'm being so excited, and this project will be finished, and oh my gosh, hasn't it been a blast? All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Just don't yell at me because you wanted to see it all put together today. You can yell a little bit, it's fine. And I'll see you at the next part very soon. So click the notification bell so you don't miss that. Okay, see you, bye.